Let's learn to set SMART goals. SMART goals are a great way to help you feel motivated to learn even more. But what is a SMART goal? SMART goals are SMART. They are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to you, and time-based. SMART goals are specific. Which goal is more specific? I want to be better at math, or I will practice my multiplication facts. I will practice my multiplication facts is a specific action you can take that will help you be better at math, so it is SMART. SMART goals are measurable. Let's take another look at this goal. I will practice my multiplication facts. How can you measure that? Let's add for 30 minutes every day this week. Time is something you can measure. Now, this goal is SMART. SMART goals are achievable. Take a look at this goal. I will complete 100 math practice sheets this week. That is specific and it's measurable. But is it achievable? Do you really have time for 100 math practice sheets in 1 week? 10 practice sheets may be more achievable. That's about 2 a day. You can probably do that. Now this goal is SMART. SMART goals are relevant. You should choose goals that are important to you. I will read 40 Magic Treehouse books. That might be a relevant and important goal for you if you love Magic Treehouse. But if you don't, you probably won't stay motivated and the goal is not relevant. A goal of reading 40 chapter books might be more relevant to you, giving you the freedom to read Magic Treehouse or any other chapter book. Now this goal is SMART. SMART goals are time-based. That means they have an ending point. If we take our goal of reading 40 chapter books and add by the end of the year, the goal is time-based, and that makes it SMART. Now you know that SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. When you set SMART goals, you can achieve anything! If you like this video, be sure to check out Miss Cotton's Corner on YouTube for more awesome learning videos. And if you're a teacher, you can find Miss Cotton's Corner on Teachers Pay Teachers, Instagram, YouTube, and my blog at MissCottonsCorner.com. See you there!